mathematical quote is this. That is the one of the way to prove the 1-1 function. Second way to prove the 1-1 function is what? In another time I can say two same element having the same image, or reversely I can say two same image having same pre-image. Two same image having same pre-image. In part I am saying this, fx1 equals to fx2, the same images having same pre-images, that means to say x1 equals to x2. That is another kind of 1-1 functions conditions, and that is more working capacity. We are using more over time this much. In several questions we have to prove 1-1 function. In those problems what we are taking the images are same, and then we are consulting the exactly pre-images are same. If it happens, then we can declare the function is 1-to-1. That is the second one. And third one, we can also say if fx1 is not equals to fx2, similar way x1 is not equals to x2. In some of the cases, in some of the extension also we are having this. So these are the things we have, and we have to prove whether the function is 1-1 or not. 1-1 means a clear-cut message is two different element of domain having a different image in the codomain. If it happens, that define 1-1 function. One more important thing I would like to emphasize on that, and the important thing is what? If we wish to prove 1-1 function, then we should emphasize only on elements of domain. Elements of domain. We should bother about that elements of domain we should take, and then we should care about the elements of codomain. So one thing is this for case of 1-to-1 mapping. Other part, 1-to-1 mapping also defined as 1-to-1 mapping. Sometimes they are saying 1-1 correspondence. Some people are also saying that is injective mapping. So these are all synonyms in case of 1-to-1 mapping. There may be examination in examination, they may be 1-to-1, there may be a 1-1 correspondence, there may be a injective mapping. I hope it is clear concept now how to find out 1-1 mapping. For example, if I am taking an example here, see a function f defined from R to R such that fx equals to 2x plus 3. It is very clear, and we have to prove it is a 1-to-1 mapping. How we can prove it is 1-to-1 mapping? See guys, this is the domain and this is the codomain. These two things should be very clear in front of you people when the question comes for us for the proving of 1-1 mapping. Now how should we do that? I should take the elements, right? Two elements x1 and x2 from the domain side, and this time domain side is R. We should write that d of f, that means to a R such that fx1 equals to fx2. I would like to share the second one definition. Images are same, and by virtue of that we should do it. This is 2x1 plus 3. This is 2x2 plus 3. 3 and 3 out, and similar way x1 equals to x2. Very simple. What was? This was images were equal, then elements are equal. If we are doing, then it is f is 1-to-1. That's all.